Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to get unlimited money in car parking simulator. So first thing first, make sure that you have the latest version of the game. So to check that, just go to App Store, find the game, and just click on update button right here. Then open game, and now you can click on the money button right here. So now I have 27,000. Just click on that. Now you can buy money for the real money. So 500,000 cost $9.99, 1 million cost $17.99, 5 million cost $69.99, and also you can get all cars. It's cost $99.99. So hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.